So guys, I just came out of the acute Tandwadan, that is the dentist clinic. Oops. Okay. And yeah guys, my tooth was paining so badly and last 3 days. So I thought of coming to the doctor, but usually, as you know, you have a Ward Central, which is your usual clinic, and you're supposed to go there. But since they have so many patients, they couldn't take me, so I had to come to the emergency ward, that is the acute warden, and they just cleaned it up and they informed me that I do have infection in my tooth. The wisdom tooth is infected and it has a cavity, so मुझे वो निकालना पड़ेगा. But फिलहाल तो उन्होंने मुझे एंटीबायोटिक्स दिया है, so that antibiotics they have told me to take for 1 week. Usually they do not give antibiotics, but the infection is so deep that I have to take that, and hopefully in a week the pain will subside. So hopefully the pain will go off, and जब मैं इंडिया में आऊँगी तो मुझे वो टूथ निकालना पड़ेगा. So I have to extract the tooth. So maybe I will do that in India or here. I'll have to see. But yeah, now finally I'm outside, and I'll go home and take some rest. और antibiotics भी काफ़ी heavy हैं, so it's like 2 in the morning, afternoon and evening, which is going to take a toll on my stomach, I'm extremely sure, but I don't have any other option. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. Just buying some medicines, guys. Let's see. So guys, I just came out of the medical, as you can see, apotheke, and let me show you the bill, guys. It's a bomb. Today I have spent so much, but of course I have to spend for my health, and if I'm in pain I can't help, right? So let me show you. I got the antibiotics and I got some probiotics and some stomach tablets, because the antibiotics I'm taking, like almost 6 tablets per day. It's like morning 2, afternoon 2 and evening 2. That's going to like create a havoc on my stomach. तो इसके लिए मैंने probiotics और थोड़ा stomach relaxation के लिए भी medicines लिए. तो my total bill is, as you can see here, let me flip the camera. So guys, as you can see, my total bill is 441. और ये जो है Pro B Image, ये है स्टमक के लिए प्रोबायोटिक्स, और ईप्रन पेन किलर है, और ये जो है ओमिप्रेजोल, ये भी स्टमक के लिए है, और पूरा सब मिला के 441 आई हैव पेड. दैट टू आई गॉट 25% डिस्काउंट. मैंने एक छोटा सा ब्रश भी लिया है, बिकॉज विजडम टूथ के पास अपना छोटा सा ब्रश, इट डजंट रीच, सो यू नीड लाइक अ स्पेशल ब्रश टू क्लीन दैट एरिया. So I got that, and guys, also I spent 335 kronas at the clinic basically. So every year you get 300 kronas from the state to clean your teeth and to get some dentist work done. But I had not done past 2-3 years, so my money was accumulated, so I got discount for that, and then I had to pay 335. So overall my bill was 1000, almost 1000, but I saved because of I didn't go. So you understand how the thing is. So as of now I think I'm feeling okay, because I had taken a painkiller last night and it has its effect, but I have to start this antibiotics today itself to reduce the infection, because the infection is too much, और वो काफ़ी cavity भी हो गया है और काफ़ी infected हो गया है. तो I have to take care for at least 1 week, और मुझे फिर भी अच्छा नहीं लगा, then I have to get the tooth extracted, removed. So let's see क्या होता है. Going home, guys. So guys, dental care is really another issue here. And that's what I wanted to also update you, that in case you have any dental pain, tooth pain, something like that, then you're supposed to go to your Ward Central, which is your clinic near your house. And but the problem is in the government sector there's huge waiting for the dentist. So it's almost between 3 to 6 months. काफ़ी वेटिंग है. तो यहाँ पे प्राइवेट क्लिनिक्स भी अवेलेबल है. रेट थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होता है, बट देन इफ़ you have insurance you can get your money back, 80% of the money back. But if you don't have the insurance, then it's really very difficult. Like I think getting out one tooth cost around 1 to 2,000 kronas, depending on thing. I mean, I have not got it done, but one of my friend did. But I'm going to inquire in one of the private clinics here about getting the tooth removed. So let's see how much it is, and definitely I will update you with the entire process and how it is. So yeah guys, इसलिए what we do is that every year when we go to India, we get our teeth cleaned, and we whatever has to be fixed, I fix it in India itself, so that I do not end up paying so much of money here. And also when you fall sick here, there is nobody to do anything. Like there is nobody to cook for you, who will take care of the house and all those things. So I think more than the sickness, I'm worried about what will happen to my house and my kid, if I fall sick. So yeah, this was, but today it was quite a good experience. I just waited for 1 hour. Usually in emergencies you wait like 3-4 hours, but today was okay. And also they gave me good advice. They took the x-ray of my tooth, they showed me the infection and the cavity, and they told me कि आपको antibiotics लेने पड़ेंगे. Though the antibiotics is really too much, 800 mg is one tablet, and I have to take 6 tablets per day. But yeah, I think you have got to do what you have to do, so there's no other option with that. But yeah, at least I got attention. At least they gave me the right solution, the right treatment. So I am thankful to God for that, because I really have phobia of toothache. Because when I was in college, I had to get 2 root canal and one tooth extracted. तो इसलिए मुझे पता है कि tooth pain क्या होता है, तो मुझे काफ़ी उसका डर रहता है. But yeah, I'm glad that I got it sorted today, and I just have to rest, eat liquids, and just take it easy for the next 1 week, and hopefully I'll feel better. So let's see. So yeah guys, that was my experience. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section of the video, and I hope you like it. I hope you find it useful, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you in my next video, hopefully in a better mood. Thank you guys. Bye bye, take care, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye, stay safe.